Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we're doing Death Awaits You All by Matasar. Let's see how many levels there are in this one. Probably one, but it's always helpful to check. Yep, just one called Death Awaits. Wow, there's a lot packed into that one spawn point there. Alright, so I have much more mobility here. It looks like it's just some kind of dead end sort of hideouts. Oh, no, there's a platform there. You just run past that one. Okay, good. I managed to get at least one kill in after getting the shotguns before I got blasting since I have such low health. That's a bit of an amateur move there. Seemingly put the players up in the air so that they can't move when they first spawn. But maybe that was intentional. It's an interesting idea. Maybe it helps for something like this. Maybe that's sort of a challenge or change the dynamic. But oh, damn it, they're already dead. Yeah, I think you see what you get already. Oh, I'm surprised I killed one more. What the hell? There's like some invisible barrier there. Okay, good. I swooped back in time. Need to find some way also to modify it so that way, yeah, let's turn on the brightness a bit. Not that there's much time left, but modify it so that the weapons also double as ammunition. Make it even more equitable, especially for maps like these. The old maps, where there aren't as many supplies generally. Can't stay. Now it's too late. Actually, I wonder what those switches do. Let me start over just for a little bit, just to see what the switches do. Okay, there we go. Raise liquid. That's cool. Definitely helps give me an advantage. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, you can almost reach up to here. Yeah, I think all the switches are the same. They're all linked together, yeah. That's pretty cool. Who knows, maybe I'll have something like that in a future map, although it'll probably be like a platform activated instead of switch activated. So that way I don't have to do as much manual editing in the game. Alright. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.